Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically delete existing posts while importing new CSV file data using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. This is super useful when you want to ensure only the current data that is present in the CSV-XML file is imported or updated, and other existing data is removed from your WordPress site. Let's dive right in. Before we start, let's take a look at the current posts on our WordPress site. As you can see, we have a few sample blog posts here. Now, we're going to import a new CSV file and make sure these old posts get removed automatically. Here's the CSV file we'll be using for this demonstration. It contains some new blog posts that we want to import while automatically removing the existing ones. Make sure your CSV is properly formatted before proceeding. Now, let's configure WP Ultimate CSV Importer to remove the old posts before adding new ones. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Click on Settings. Here, you'll find the option Delete Data from WordPress. Enable this setting. What this does is remove all existing posts before the new data gets imported. Now, let's start our import process. In the Import/Update section, upload your CSV file. Once the file is uploaded, click on Fresh Import and set the module type as Posts. You can also choose to update content while this auto-delete option is enabled. This will update the existing content, import new data, and delete everything else that's not in the CSV file. In the next step, map the fields with the corresponding WordPress core fields. If the headers of your CSV file match, the plugin will automatically map the fields. After mapping the fields, click Continue and start the import. Now, WP Ultimate CSV Importer will delete old posts, import current ones, and update existing content if matching records are found. Let's check if the old posts have been removed and if the new ones are successfully imported. And there you go. Our new posts have been imported, and the old ones have been completely removed. This ensures that we have only the current data in our CSV on our WordPress site. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how to auto-delete existing posts while importing new data using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tutorials.